Hey there guys, in this video let's see what is Aircrack-ng. So firstly, what is Aircrack-ng? So the Aircrack-ng tool is a powerful wireless hacking tool, but anyway still this tool depends on other tools such as the airmon-ng, aerodump-ng and the air replay. So the main tools are airmon, aerodump and the Aircrack-ng. And now the Aircrack-ng tool is owned by the Microsoft. Okay, now let's see how to crack the Wi-Fi password using the Aircrack-ng. So to crack a Wi-Fi password, you should have an external Wi-Fi card. Unfortunately, I don't have an external Wi-Fi card, but I will be showing you the steps to crack the Wi-Fi password using the Aircrack-ng. So there are 3 steps to crack the Wi-Fi password. So the first is monitoring network using the airmon-ng, and also I have given all the commands over here, and also I have explained how does it work, and also I have attached a screenshot. And the second step is sniffing packets using the aerodump. And the third is directly going to the Aircrack-ng and cracking the password using a word list. So you can see that I have used a word list. So the word list I have used is the rocky.txt, and immediately after using the word list, I have cracked the password. So you can see the password over here. So I have blurred some of these. But anyways, so these are the 3 steps to crack the password. So this blog post will be in the description box below. So do check it out and just try with your Wi-Fi. And I think this video will be helpful for you guys. So make sure you give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.